The customer is always wrong. Except when I'm the customer, then I be right every time, okay? When someone asks you where something is, don't look up from the stack of ugly t-shirts that you're folding and just point in any direction. When in doubt, ignore the customer. Anything else I can help you find? I just shop online. Oh, sure, we have rompers. Let me just go in the back, grab my time machine, bring you to it, take you to Forever 21 3 years ago, and we'll pick out a perfect one for you. Are you ready to check out? Because this register's closed. Which size were you looking for? Oh, I'm sorry. We only carry XXS, XS, S, and 4XL. You're not a medium. Not here. Maybe Lane Bryant, but not here. Sweet Starbucks cup. My boyfriend works at Starbucks. You should buy me a pretzel. I don't know. They told me there were snacks in the break room, but I can't find a break room anywhere.